The Australian government's funded the Northern Riverbanks fencing project, which is a $7.5 million project that's a collaboration between Southern Queensland Landscapes, the Queensland Government and the Commonwealth Government. The state and federal government invested in the fencing project because it's really a win-win for farmers and for fish. It's helping to manage the impacts of cattle, livestock and erosion on the riverbanks around the Northern Basin.
I actually found you guys on Facebook and I said to Mum, get onto them and see if they're interested in helping, and I think within a month, we were set and ready to go. Well, we knew we had to do something with the riverbank. We could see it was getting, like erosion was setting in, and to keep the cattle off the river, they can bog and that down there, and spent a lot of times over next door, be getting phone calls and they'd be going that way. Yeah, this is good, I'm glad. This is just an electric fence, 2 plain wires, 10 metres apart. Mainly due to if it floods, I sort of want it to stay standing and debris not get caught up on it. Southern Queensland Landscapes give us 6 months to do it, and yeah, there was no dramas. I think Mum stayed in touch and let you know where we were up to and that we were running a bit behind because of floods, and there was no drama at all. It was very easy. This fence wouldn't have happened without SQ Landscapes. We still would have been battling the erosion and the cattle being bogged in the river, so very big help.
Some of the benefits that I've seen throughout the landscape since the inception of this project is really around farmers having better management of their cattle, but also really helping to reduce the impacts of livestock on the river, helping to minimise erosion and the impacts from livestock from crossing waterways, and also to help the farmers to keep their cattle where they need to be. So there are over 50 species of fish that live in the waterways in the Northern Basin, so this project's really helping to maintain the health of the waterways and improve the outcomes for those fish species. At this stage, we're working with 66 landholders to deliver 538 kilometres of fence across 5 catchments in the Northern Basin.
Working with Southern Queensland Landscapes has been great. They've been easy to deal with. They've just been a phone call away. It's been hassle-free, really. Anyone thinking about applying with SQ Landscapes, just do it. Get on the internet and get their number and give them a ring. They'll help you out.